which we're going to make the dressing. Hello. It's an angelic dressing, apparently. So we're going to take, we got this jam, raspberry jam. I know you can buy the raspberry vinaigrettes, but I thought we'd try it a little fun way and get the kind with the seeds in it, because that's always more fun. So a little bit of oil and our jam, and you got to have a little vinegar for it to qualify as a dressing. And we'll whisk that up. Okay, that didn't work. There we go. Tell Mom I'll be there later. That's okay. Well, they want to know where you are. Okay, and we'll put a little bit of fancy salt in it. And a little bit of fancy pepper. Have you seen these things? Isn't that cool? Instead of buying the big 3-foot long one like they use in the restaurant. And I like a little extra pepper. How are we doing over here? Our onions are getting a little translucent. Which you found out last week's class. How many of you were here last week's class? That according to Jessica, our dietitian, if you're going to cook with oil, it's better off to use the canola oil than the olive oil, because the olive loses its stuff when you heat it. And is that canola? Yes. And that's like a 50 or something on the Richter scale that they have here at Food City now. So, yeah, that. Already rinsed. I was going to rinse this, but Leslie pointed out, fresh, rinsed, ready to eat, thoroughly washed. So we'll throw that in. Oh, that's a lot. That's a way lot. And if I were at home, I would rip this in little pieces, because I hate to be out eating a salad, especially in a restaurant where you don't know people, and you're trying to cram it all. There's no delicate way, so just tear it in little pieces. I love these. My wife does not. So put a few of those in there for me. And she prefers the slice, so, you know, Jack Spratt and his wife. So, I mean, a salad's a salad, once again, almost the suggestion thing, because you can put anything in there that you want. And this calls for a red onion, but you don't see a red onion up here because I don't like red onions. I don't like onions at all unless they're cooked, because you never know when you're going to get kissed, and be ready, kids. Okay. Just enough tomato for her. All right, where are we going here? Small. Okay, we got walnuts, kind of smalled. You can use them bigger, or again, any kind of nuts you want. Cranberries, aren't those so much better than raisins? I don't know as far as good for you, but they sure are good to taste. And there's our fancy little dressing that I would prefer to put on now. And then blue cheese crumbles that I got back in the freezer case, or dairy case. Hey. Who doesn't like avocado? Two of you, crap. I was going to leave it out if everybody said no. I forgot about the avocado. And there's our blue cheese crumbles. Put the rest on the table because somebody might want a little extra. So, avocado. They're almost more trouble than they're worth. Because, you know, you can get those in the freezer section, or yeah, in the freezer section as well. You know that trick? Put the knife on it, pop it in, and then just turn it, and that gets your little seedy thing out of there for you. I'm sure there's an easier way to peel these things if we only knew. Has anybody got a suggestion?
It just peels right off.
Yeah, it does pretty much. I figured there was a fancy way to do it.
I mean, what you just pull it off. You don't have to.
Don't even have to peel? See? Come on up here. No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't my show. Whose were you watching? Yeah, look at this. I didn't need that fancy peeler. Could have been. Could have been. Oh, that was the thing that, yeah, Amy did that one. See, I don't pay attention because there's not a test at the end. So, yeah, I think Amy did a thingy. Yeah, we get some, and I did a satellite interview with the lady that does, has a book out, 200 panini recipes. Which Linda got, I love meatloaf. Linda got me a 52 meatloaf recipe book, one for each week. So that was kind of fun going through. But 200 panini recipes. But I found out panini, plural. Panino, singular. Did you know that? It's an educational show. Actually, I found that out beforehand. So there's our salad. Ta-da!